MATRADE, once again here at Farnborough International Airshow, leading the Malaysia delegation. Just talk to me about Malaysia's ambitions, both on the regional stage, but also here on the global stage.
Our Malaysian government has a very ambitious target with regard to the development of aerospace and MRO industry in Malaysia. And in fact, I think that ambition is reflecting from our own Malaysia aerospace industry blueprint 2030 that is aimed at growing our MRO and aerospace industry. We've targeted annual revenue about 13.5 billion US dollar, and also targeting our export of $5 billion by 2030. And the government is also targeting to generate 60,000 employment from this MRO and aerospace industry. We will organize some business meeting engagements as well as seminars and pitching session for them to showcase their capabilities both in terms of manufacturing, assembly, and as well as some of the services industry that they want to promote during this FIA this year. So this FIA is a platform for us to bridge the potential collaboration between the Malaysian companies, Malaysian exhibitors, and also all the major players in the world in the aerospace and MRO industry.